at 5:30, 10 News gets to the bottom of a mystery which drove people nuts this weekend in the South Bay. Chula Vista residents thought the 4th of July had come early, with strange loud blasts keeping them awake in the middle of the night.
Their only clue, it seemed to be coming from the dump. Our 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo took their questions to the landfill to find out the cause and why it shouldn't keep people up at night anymore.
Neighbors say that is what they heard.
It sounds like cannons going off somewhere in the distance. It was about 15 to 30 seconds, and yeah, it woke me up, so I didn't really like it.
Leilani Salas didn't get much sleep over the weekend. She lives less than a mile from the Otay Ranch landfill. On Friday night, she heard what she thought were fireworks.
It's like boom, boom, like that. And I don't know if that's the echo, but it's like boom, boom.
Her neighbors heard it too, loud bangs coming from the direction of the landfill.
I'm pretty far from the landfill, so I can only imagine what the neighbors close to the landfill are hearing.
Some thought they were gunshots. Others even called Chula Vista police. So we called the landfill. It turns out neighbors were hearing propane-fired cannons that make noise to keep birds away from picking trash in the landfill.
15, 20 seconds around there. So then it started kind of getting irritating. I was like, when is it going to stop?
A spokesperson for the landfill tells 10 News the cannons operate during the day on an automated schedule. The landfill is covered at night, so they're not supposed to go off. Last Friday, an employee forgot to turn the system off, causing the cannons to shoot out all night. They want neighbors to know they're working with employees so it doesn't happen again.
We need to get some sleep.
In Otay Ranch, Laura Acevedo, 10 News.